Have you ever found yourself at an ATM trying to withdraw cash only to be told you've hit your limit? Or maybe you've tried to make a large online purchase and been surprised when the payment was declined. It's a common and frustrating experience that many of us have faced, and it often comes down to one thing: bank limits. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Vivid Bank's limits. What are they? How do they work? And most importantly, how can you make sure you're always in the clear? Whether you're a new Vivid user or a longtime customer who wants to understand their account better, this is the video for you. We'll break down the different types of limits, from daily cash withdrawals to monthly card purchases, and explain how they might impact you. Let's get started. Vivid Bank, like all financial institutions, sets certain limits to protect both you and the bank from fraud, unauthorized spending, and other financial risks. These limits aren't meant to be a roadblock, they're a security measure. The limits you encounter will depend on a few key factors, including your account type and the specific transaction you're trying to make. First up, let's talk about cash withdrawals. This is probably the most common limit people run into. For a Vivid Standard account, you have a monthly limit on free cash withdrawals. Specifically, you can withdraw up to €200 per month without fees, as long as each individual withdrawal is at least €50. If you have a Vivid Prime account, that limit is much higher, allowing you to withdraw up to €1,000 per month fee-free. Going over these limits will incur a fee, so it's always a good idea to keep track of your cash withdrawals. Now, what about daily and monthly spending with your card? This is where things get a bit more interesting. Vivid Bank has separate limits for card purchases. On a daily basis, you can make online and offline card purchases of up to €10,000. Your total daily limit for all card transactions, including withdrawals, is also €10,000. On a monthly basis, these limits increase significantly. You can make card purchases up to €30,000 each month. The total monthly limit for all card transactions, including withdrawals, is also capped at €30,000. These are substantial amounts, but it's still important to be aware of them, especially if you plan on making a major purchase. You're probably wondering, can I change these limits? And the answer is yes, to a certain extent. Vivid gives you the power to set your own custom monthly limits for your card spending, right from within the app. This is a fantastic feature for budgeting and preventing overspending. You can access your card details in the app, select Set Limit, and input the amount you want to cap your spending at. It's a great way to stay on top of your finances. Just remember that the limits you set can't exceed the maximum amounts that Vivid has in place. Let's quickly touch on contactless payments as well. For security, there's a limit for contactless payments that don't require a PIN. You can make purchases totaling up to €150 before you're asked to use your PIN. This is a dynamic limit, so if you reach it, you can simply reset it by making your next purchase with your PIN. Finally, what about transfers? For SEPA transfers, which are the standard for transactions within the single euro payments area, there are generally no set limits on the amount you can send or receive. However, for larger transfers, Vivid may require additional verification or documentation as part of their security process. It's a good practice to be prepared for this, especially if you're expecting or sending a significant sum of money. Understanding your bank's limits is a key part of smart financial management. By knowing the rules, you can avoid unexpected fees and ensure your transactions always go smoothly. Vivid Bank's limits are designed to give you both flexibility and security, and the ability to customize your own spending caps is a powerful tool to take control of your money. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.